Hi, I am here on a new adventure today. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna fly, and not just any airplane. Nope, I'm going to Vancouver Island with a floating plane on the water. That's new for me. I'm currently here on the Sunshine Coast, Seychelles, British Columbia, Canada, on a new adventure, and I'm flying to Vancouver Island. It's the first time I'm gonna go on a plane like that, so I'm really excited. Remember, living abroad, I'm doing it, you can do it too. Keep following me, let's go. All check, ready for takeoff. I made it! This is Vancouver Island. Now it's time to explore, and yeah, we landed very safely thanks to the wonderful pilot. So, living abroad, it's all possible. Let's continue the exploration.